Kamete ya ithurano na mihaka bururi-ini ABC kuhitukira muikariri giti wa Fula Chebukati niyo yaniriire uria wari seneta wa Samburu Sammy Leshore ta gukorwo ari wo kuihuri ithenya ria seneta wa guthukio Isaac Mwaura kuhitukira ngatheti ya thirikari noguo kuraga mwihoko wothe wa seneta Mwaura kuhonokia giturwa giake. Leshore kuihuri ithenya ria kurugamirira andu aria makoragwo na mawathe bunge-ini ya Senate rungu rwa kiama kia Jubilee kurumirira kuhamurithio gwa seneta Mwaura na mithingi ya guthie mugaro na murugamo wa kiama kiria kimwamurite. Undu uyu hanikitio na thengia wa igoti muthenya wa ira kuruta watho wa kurugamia kuhamurithio gwa seneta Isaac Mwaura kuria mucirithania wa igoti ria Milimani JK Selgon arathanite mutaratara uyu wa kuhamurithio kwa Mwaura wambe urugamio nginya riria cira uria mugomeire kiama-ini kia Jubilee ugathikiririo no twithanio. Seneta Mwaura amurirwo ni kiama kia Jubilee kurugamirira andu mari mawathe bunge-ini thutha wa githurano kia mwaka wa 2017 na kuhamurithio gwake kuuma kiama-ini kurumirire kihiri kia mathina maria makoretwo mamugomeire thutha wa Jubilee gukinyaniria kumuhamurithia ari hamwe na maseneta angi atano a guthukio ni undu wa guthie mugaro na murugamo wa kiama.
Whatever that has been witnessed here today, where an individual can make presentations that are baseless and that can be used to expel a member, we may be going back to the old candidates. And I want to tell all Kenyans that we should not allow dictatorship. We should not allow that a select few can actually take over the reins of a political party and make it their personal property.
Mathina ma Mwaura mehiriirie thutha wa miario yake ari mwena wa Kwale hindi ya mucemanio wa kiama kia UDA kuria okiriire mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta uria nowe mutongoria wa kiama kia Jubilee. Kamete ya kuruga mitugo ya Jubilee niyo yakinyaniire itua ria kuhamurithia Mwaura thutha wake kuremwo ni gwitetera itua riria na thengia wa kuhonokio ni igoti rirakindirirwo ni kamete ya gutwithania macira ma ciama cia kiuteti.
The seat of the member of the Senate elected under Article 198(1) D of the Constitution and held by Senator Isaac Mwaura became vacant with effect from 7th May 2021. It is important to note that the publication of this came to my notice for the first time during the lunch break this afternoon.
Isaac Mwaura ingirite mafuku-ini ma kiririkano hari uteti wa bururi uyu thutha wa gutuika seneta wa mbere gutunyukithio giturwa giake ni kiama kiria kimwamurite ari ona thengia waru na kia mwaho wa tagataga kugeria kumuhonokia undu uria uraringire higa.
I urge honorable senators, please let us rise and stamp the authority on behalf of Senator Mwaura. It is now he needs us. It is you next time you'll be in the same predicament, notwithstanding our political differences.
I see no hurry in chasing you away, a colleague, because you are the Speaker of this House.
It will be sad if, as a Senate, you become the first Speaker under the new Constitution to violate the Constitution by removing a colleague.
Girivotera Kameme TV, Jitogo Mwaura, Wagunya.